Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a unique omelet. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for richness, then whisk thoroughly until slightly frothy. Next, prepare your chosen fillings by chopping them finely so they cook evenly. Finally, heat an 8-inch nonstick pan over medium-low heat, adding 1 teaspoon of butter to coat the surface. To truly make your omelet unique, think beyond traditional fillings. Try combining smoked salmon with cream cheese or perhaps goat cheese with roasted red peppers. Remember to sauté any vegetables like spinach or mushrooms beforehand to remove excess moisture and enhance their flavor. A sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as chives or dill, right before folding adds a wonderful aromatic finish. Once your pan is ready, pour in the egg mixture and let it set for about 30 seconds without stirring. As the edges begin to firm, gently push the cooked egg towards the center with a spatula, tilting the pan to allow uncooked egg to flow underneath. When the top is mostly set but still a little moist, add your prepared fillings to 1/2. Then, carefully fold the other half over, creating that classic omelet shape. For a truly unique presentation, garnish your omelet with a sprinkle of fresh chives, a dash of paprika, or even a drizzle of your favorite sauce. Serve it immediately alongside some crispy toast or a light green salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.